Assalamu alaikum, we are back with another tutorial. We are making this beautiful dress. It's very simple and it does not require a lot of steps. Let's go. Starting off by folding our fabrics in four. Pay attention on the screen for measurements information to tailor this to your child. And if you're following exactly what I'm doing, the dress will fit ages 3 all the way to 5 years old. Circumference of the waist divided by 4, and you're going to measure left, right, in the middle and connect those 3 dots together. And then you're going to start from the edge all the way down to your desired length. Mine, I chose 18 because I want it to be shorter, and you're going to do this exact thing all the way around to make a circular skirt. Once you're done with that, it should look something like this. Then you just cut it all out and boom, you are done with your skirt part of the dress. My daughter loves twirling like a princess, so here we go. For the top part of the dress, you will take a piece of fabric that is 1 yard long or 20 inches in width and 36 inches in length. Fold that in 4 and let's go. Measure from the shoulder all the way to their waistline. My daughter waistline, it's 8, but I marked 10 here again because I want her to wear it until she's 5, hopefully. We do our typical neckline, 3 down, 2 across, connect the dots. Waist circumference divided by 4 plus 3, mark it down. Shoulder measurements divided by 2, mark it down. From the shoulder all the way to their nipple plus 1, mark it down. And then from that number that we got, shoulder measurement to the nipple plus 1, we're going to take that divided by 2. Mark it down, getting half of it, and then from the half going inward 0.5, and then we're connecting all of the 3 dots just like so. If this point and this point does not match, that's okay, don't freak out, just raise it up like I'm doing here, connect it, and then we're going to take the last point and connect it to the midpoint right here. You're done. You're cutting it out. When you are cutting out the sides on this area, make sure you add your 1 inch seam allowance like I'm going to do. So right here, adding that 1 inch seam allowance. Cut off the neck. That sounds brutal. If your shoulders are on the fold, go ahead and cut them out like I'm doing so. Measure it down 1 inch, trace it out and cut it. Why? Because shoulders are slanted and not straight. Once you're done, you're going to sew here and here. Now we are connecting the 2 pieces together. See how quick that was? You're going to turn the shirt right side out, flip it, and then you're going to feed it inside of the skirt. Making sure pretty sides are together and touching, match all the edges like so, and then you're going to sew all the way around. Once you're done with that, boom, you're done. Hem the bottom, hem the shoulders, hem the neck, and you're done. You can literally stop here and you're good to go. But I want to take it a step further, so let's go ahead and continue. For the shoulder, I don't want them to be tank topped. I want them to cover a little bit, so we're going to add a circular right here. Measure to 9. Get a piece of fabric that is 20 inches in length and 13 inches in width. You're going to fold that in 4, and we're basically repeating the same skirt method. You're going to measure down to 5 inches, like so, left, right, and middle, and we're just going to connect it. Cut it out. When you open it, it's going to be a circle. We're going to cut it in the middle to make it 2 because we got 2 shoulders. We're going to fold it in half, put a little notch to indicate where the middle is. Double fold the ends and then go hem them. Once you're done, we're going to take the little notch that we did in the middle, match it with the middle part of the sleeve right here, and sew all the way around. Once you're done with that, you should have this. It looks much better now. You're done. You could literally stop here. But I want the waist area to be a little bit in because it is super baggy. Again, I made it for her to wear until she was 5. So to make it match her a little bit, we are going to add elastic inside of the dress. So you're going to take elastic, you're going to measure the length of where her waistline is, cut the elastic to match that length of your child waistline, not the dress. Once you're done, we're going to do like this and just connect it all the way around. You're going to sew it all the way around until the ends match. Then you should have something that looks like this. See how it just looks much smaller, much bigger. We got a little stretch on the waist, and yeah, we're done. If you love what you have learned and you would like to see more, like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification. Don't forget to leave a comment because that does help my video and it helps you to push it out more to more people, and it also encourages me to make more.